Good morning. Let me turn this. I have the little fan going right now. Bring that with. It is Sunday morning. It is October 9th? 10th? I don't know. It's a Sunday morning. And I am on my way to Animal Kingdom. I'm going to leave in a couple of minutes. I've got to remember to grab the ponytail holder because yikes. Ethan went to go do his church-based gig, and I'm going to go check out some stuff at Animal Kingdom that I don't know that Ethan would like. He's picky. So, they have changed the bird show again. It is no longer themed to Up. I really miss the original. The original was so funny. So I'm going to go check that out. I think it's at 10:30. And then the kites are flying over in Asia. There's an 11:15 and a 12:15. I don't know that I'll make the 11:15, but I can definitely do the 12:15. So it is just going on 9 now. I would love to see if I can fit in a safari before the bird show, but we'll see what happens. I am taking the gimbal with me today for some stable footage. Bye. And we'll see how well that works. My feet have been killing me lately, and it's because I've gained this weight back. So I've got gym shoes on, and I've got flip-flops in the bag, and hopefully I'll survive. I'm going to do a lot of sitting. So we'll see what else I come across. I figure I'll just do a few hours this morning while it's still relatively cool, even though it's humid as heck. But, you know, Florida. Sorry, laundry. Figured I'd get that started before I left. I think that's it. I can't think of anything else at the moment. Those were the two big things. I just want to get out and get some walking in, even though it hurts so much. And I figured I'd take you with. Ooh. Hit the play button and the gimbal went crazy there. Alright, the gimbal, the silverware, and I made it through security. Ethan's been having trouble getting his cutlery through security, and I figured out why yesterday. He's putting it next to his phone. Too much metal concentrated in one spot. It's making it beep. A little too high. All right, the safari wait time is an hour, so I'm not going to be able to do that. So we're going to walk around. I found some statues. What is with this gimbal? Flipping all over the place today. All right, so we've got Simba and Pumbaa. And then over here, Dory and Nemo. I can't see. I can't see the screen. Here. We're gonna go over here. Oh my! Something weird going on with this gimbal. Yeah, that's not right. This is not good. That's not what it's supposed to be doing.
It's the largest one.
So not what it's supposed to be doing. Okay, I think I figured out the gimbal issue. My phone is too long, and therefore it is too heavy, and it doesn't, it just, even right now it's tipped. Let me try doing this straight up and down. Okay, it seems fine now. We'll see if that was the problem, because it just kept, well, you saw, it just kept doing all kinds of things. So it was just too heavy on the one side. So I made sure the bar is as far over as it can go. I made sure the phone is as far over as it can go. And if it keeps tipping, then there's just nothing I can do about it, because this just isn't going to work this way. I'm really hot. I think it's time to put the hair up. Cats don't like to be wet. That's better. Okay, so we have, I don't know, it's like 9:30. So we've got like an hour before the bird show. So I can't decide if I just want to stay here with my little fan, or with nobody around me, or if I want to walk around. My feet just said, don't move, lady. But now that I got the gimbal actually working, I'd like to see if it actually works. Oh, so many things to think about. Alright, I'm going to drink some water, and then I think maybe I'm going to walk around a little bit. Okay, I just spotted some kite testing, I think. So let's walk through the flame tree seating area and see if we can see what's going on. I hear a roller coaster. I don't know if it's a show going on. The phone said it was later. Also, the sun is this is a bad spot. Could just be a float going off. But I did see a kite. But it was a guy with a kite. Yeah, this isn't a show. This is just the flotilla. Oh, Flotilla Bonanza. That was Rafiki's. And over there we got Mickey and Minnie. And Pluto. And there's Timon. Okay, that was all that was. Oh, see, there's a guy over there with a kite. Can you see him? Yeah, you can. That's what I caught wind of. Kite, wind, that's funny. Ethan is literally going to be, did you leave the flame tree area at all day? No. Let's see where this path takes us. Uh-oh. Come on, Gimbal. Come on, Gimbal. What are you doing? I feel like to sit over here. Out of the way, it's in the shade. Not a a lot of foot traffic.
Aren't we going?
Wrong direction. And another flotilla. So here's where we're headed in a little while. It's now called Feathered Friends in Flight. They still have the Doug. Why can't I think of the kid's name? Is it Carl? No, Carl's the old man. Ah, crud. What? Russell. His name's Russell. Still have the Russell statue out front. I think she said about 20 minutes before they start seating people. So let's head this way. Oh, I know where I'm going to sit. Right here. Okay, let's see what they've done.
And then after a little bit more TLC, she was able to finally right her head again, which is super cool. But she had learned to get all she needs to survive from people. And that is a different way of saying imprinting. So because of that, she wasn't able to go back out to the natural habitat. But see the positive. The cool thing is, she's an ambassador for her species. During pre-shows, this is not Feathered Friends in Flight, this is a pre-show. So getting you ready, sometimes the audience gets to meet Tuesday here and get to hear her story and hopefully go home. Maybe you'll learn a couple new things about owls you didn't know, and hopefully make a difference for them.
Somebody just came out the window.
Good morning and welcome.
You're welcome to Feathered Birds in Flight. My name is Lucy.
And my name is Adam.
And that really cool raven who just recycled, it's named Denver. And birds just like Denver have been here inspiring people for over 20 years now. In fact, there's actually been some kind of bird show on this stage pretty much every day since the park has been open.
Right. And yeah, it is cool, right? That's a long time. And this is our favorite part of every day, too. It's when we get to share awesome birds with you guys. And we get to talk about really neat stuff, like these two birds that are flying in right now. They're Rosie and Spoonbill.
They're well adapted to sift through muddy water, find things like crustaceans that they eat, and the food they eat is how they get their pink coloration. They're in Africa, and they are really good at agile flight. Their narrow body shape and that long tail all help them to weave between the trees in the forest. Here we go, Caroline. You are set up for success. Ellen is in the back. She's got some of your favorite treats. Do you see her back there? Uh-huh. You're thinking about it? Lean in, here we go.
This becomes a grape launcher. Yeah. See? He appreciates art. And I actually would like to have somebody maybe help test this out. Maybe somebody over here, since we didn't pick anybody. How about right here in the grape? Would you like to help out, my friend? Come on down. Round of applause for our volunteer. All right, this is going to be epic. I'm just going to drop it out briefly. Come on up. It's going to be cool because trumpeter hornbills, like we said, like grapes. So easy modification.
Okay.
Grape launcher. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is Lucy and I will count down from 3, okay? And when we get to 1, that's where you come in. You're gonna stomp on that yellow thing right there as hard as you can, and we're gonna launch this grape into outer space. And I'm about 60% sure that it will work. Are you ready? Are you ready?
I think I'm ready, yes.
Caroline, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Seems legit. Okay, for liftoff in 3, 2, 1.
I don't think the hoops are going to work for this hornbill. This is Jean, a southern ground hornbill. This is one of the largest species out there. We can't do the hoops, but we can give you a closer look. Are you ready? I know, pretty neat. And they do have a really big wingspan, right? And food.
Right, it is super cool. It's actually really awesome that you get to see them in flight because it's very rare. In the wild, they'd be spending most of their time doing this, right? Eating things like whatever that was. So, picture this. In the wild, they would go and find things like snakes to eat. And even venomous snakes. They don't care. They're going to pick it up, shake it around, and then they slurp it back like it's spaghetti. And it is disgusting. But it's kind of cool, too.
Try for this one. The owl should be coming out. I don't know where the...
Like right now?
Yeah, owl's right now.
Okay, alright. Well, your Nipple of Life thing? Not this show. I'm gonna go walk the chickens home. I'll be right back.
Okay, I'm sure the chickens will be safe without him. So in the meantime, we are going to meet JJ. Watch out, a great horned owl. Yeah, you saw that nice low flight.
Alright.
Good.
Where's the whole owl?
You just missed the tail end.
Ah.
What's the sound of a pity clap? I feel bad for her. Yeah, that's true, alright. Okay, but you did tell them cool facts about owls. Like you talking about like their hearing or their vision or like...
We touched on, some of the adaptations they have that make them good hunters. And, okay, I didn't mention this, an owl that size by himself could catch over 1,000 mice in a single year.
Which is great, actually, right? I mean, we had that horrible rodent problem that was like really bad.
Did you hear about it? It was gross. Yeah, for a long time too. But then we had the owls move in, right, and hawks during the day, and the rats kind of moved out.
Right, yeah, but there was always that one that was like always right there, all the time.
Oh.
But you know what? Don't even worry about it, right? Because the rat problem is behind us now. It's the best joke in the show. You get what I mean? Okay, I was backstage and I was quickly talking with Ansley. And I was like, Ansley, would you maybe load up Lexus so that we could show them a training session? Lexus is a collard raven.
Okay.
Would you like to see a training session? Yeah, see, because people are always like, hey, how do you work with the birds, right?
Sure,
so why don't we show them? Why don't we make that
Okay.
right?
Any little thing that you accidentally reinforce, the bird could think, okay, that's what they want me to do, so I'm going to start repeating that.
That one wasn't quite what I was looking for. Let's give it one more try.
No, come on, Adam.
Nice! I taught her to untie shoes. It's going well. Right?
Yeah, no, she's getting better at it, but the problem is that's maybe not the safest behavior.
You know what's funny? Actually, like Ari was saying the same thing to me. She's like, Adam, do not do that. That is a huge liability. She's my boss. But of course, I was like, these are some of the smartest birds around. And Doug's behavior is top notch. I mean, she's not really had any issues with it yet.
Right?
It's going really well.
Here, no, I'm going to cover my laces because we can't let her.
Just let her tie her shoes. It's okay. Like, Lucy, like action. Lucy, hey, like for real. That. Josh. Josh is our sound tech. Sorry. Yeah, we've got a backup, right? So we'll just have somebody bring out the backup, and then, no, it'd be better if you stay, though. It's awkward if you leave. And I think, okay, bye. Hello? Right. Okay. Do you like magic? Yeah, great. Me too. So that's good. Okay. Right. Actually, would you like to meet a parrot? Yeah? Okay, much better idea. Give me a second. Guys, hello? Hey, TJ. Hey, can you come here for a second? Could you maybe bring out like Groucho or Keto or something like as fast as you can? Yeah? You're the man. You're the man. Okay, in just a second, TJ is going to bring out this awesome parrot, but have you heard of parrots that can talk before? Yeah? Okay, awesome. That's an ability that's called mimicry. It's where an animal can copy sounds they hear in their environment, and it's cool. Because parrots, in the wild, they live in a social group together. We call it a flock, right? So they spend time living with the other parrots. But the thing is, his size makes him really unique, right?
Yeah, it's true. He's one of the largest members of the vulture family. He's got about a 10-foot wingspan. I know, it's really cool. And we love having vultures out there, right? Because what do vultures eat? Dead stuff. Yeah, so when animals die in the wild, vultures come along and help clean up the mess, which stops the spread of disease.
Right, so in a way we kind of call these birds like nature's recyclers, if you will. And if we all did a little bit more recycling, but in our own way, not even that takes, the earth would be a much cleaner place.
Get everything, okay, yes, we are back on track, good. So, crowned crane, his name is Fraser. So that's Fraser Crane.
Yeah, that's the best delivery it's ever. You know what? We're going to throw that one to the side, and we should call him down, right?
Yeah,
because it'd be great to give them a close look.
Yeah.
Dude, that's so awesome. Is it the hat?
No, the hat was for all of us.
All right.
It's all the treats, right?
I mean, he flew right down.
Yes, that was awesome.
I'd like you all to meet Hope. And a long time ago, Hope was injured in the wild, and now she's deemed non-releasable. But it's actually a really cool thing, because Hope is a phenomenal story that tells exactly why it's so important to be integral to conservation. You see, not long ago, the numbers...
Ethan is going to be so happy the show is back. Yay! Okay, I am seated for the kite show. I don't like this show. I missed this crash landing. Okay, feathered friends, phenomenal. Kite tails, lame. Might be okay if you've got little kids, or if you just, I don't know. Try it. I didn't care for it. Ethan would not like it. Okay, heading over to Pizzafari for lunch. Something else Ethan's not real thrilled about doing, so I figured I'd do it now.
¿Qué ves, Nachi?
Los canguros, mira eso. Hay canguros y yo creo que eso es que el ave.
¿Cómo que se llama ese hijo? ¿Buitre?
Mamá, mira eso.
All right, lunch at Pizzafari. I'd have to look up what this was. I don't remember what I ordered. I'm sorry. I'll look it up. But look at Tinkerbell and Stitch. Isn't that pretty? It's non-alcoholic. I got the chicken parmesan sandwich, and it comes with a side salad. And you know we carry our own silverware, so I didn't have to grab that. Okay, that was really good. The ears on the pineapple ears on the drink are candied pineapple. I can't decide if I'm going to nibble on that or just leave it. But the drink is really good. I think I'm done. The wait for the safari is still 50 minutes, and I don't feel like standing in line that long, so I think I'm going to head home for the day. I accomplished most of my goals.
How about this?
No!